friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to complete our page number 22 and start page 23, words. Our unit 2 is about the red rubber ball. Open up your books, page 22, speaking activity. You see our speaking activity. Today we are going to learn about giving encouragements. Giving encouragements is sometimes people feel worried or afraid about doing something new probably. So we say such words to them to encourage them, to buck up them. Listen to this audio very carefully.
Page 22. Speaking. See. Learn. Giving encouragement.
Sometimes people feel worried or afraid about doing something. We can say things to make them feel better. You can do it. I know you can. Don't give up. Keep trying. Don't worry. Just do your best.
I'm worried about tomorrow's game.
Don't worry. Just do your best.
Thanks.
I'm afraid to swim in the lake.
You can do it. I know you can.
See how you use these words to encourage someone? You can practice this giving encouragement with your family members, your sibling or your parents or your friends. Now open up page number 23. Today we are going to start the word study. Learn. Verb phrases with get. Today the thing that we are going to learn is verb phrases that starts with get. We use verb after get to make a verb phrase. You know what are verbs, right? Verb is an action word. So when we are going to use a verb after get, that will become a verb phrase. For example, get along, get together, etc. As you can see an example, it's fun for children to get together and play games. Here we have used verb with after a get. Now get together is a verb phrase. We have an activity over here. Listen and read the words. I'm going to play an audio for you. Just listen to the words and repeat the words after them.
Page 23. Word study. D. Listen and read the words. Look them up in the dictionary. Then underline each word after get. Write each verb in a sentence. Tell your partner.
Get along. Get by. Get over. Get away. Get around. Get down.
I hope you have listened to this audio very carefully. Now I have solved one part of this question for you. I have found out the meanings of these words for you. First word is get along. Second word is get by. Third word is get over. Fourth word is get away. Fifth word is get around. And sixth word is get down. Let us see the meanings of these words. Get along. Brief, friendly. Get by. Have just enough of something. Get over. To recover from something. Get away. Escape. Get around. Travel to different places. Get down. Climb down from somewhere. Now what you have to do is you have to write down the sentences for these verb phrases on loose sheet of paper. That's all for today.